Hey everybody! I'm here today to tell you and show you how to make an office chair comfortable. This will be an easy tutorial and a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a typical example of an office chair right over here. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and form factors, but generally they're going to be like rolling chairs that have this type of seat, backing, and also armrests like this. Now there are a few things that you can do to get your office chair to be more comfortable. The first, and this is probably the most important one, is going to be to correct your posture, to sit on it properly with the right posture. Now, here's the thing, you might have to adjust your posture according to your office chair. A lot of people, including myself, sometimes will slouch down like this, and that's because of the position of everything. So to correct your posture, you have to make a conscious effort to say, listen, I'm going to sit up straight and properly like this, and then you're also going to adjust the office chair with the following things that I'm going to tell you about throughout the video to allow your posture to be even better and just to correct your posture more easily than ever before. So the first thing is make a conscious effort to correct your posture, sit upright, okay? The second thing is going to be the height of the chair. So you want, in an ideal situation, you want your feet to be able to rest on the floor, okay? But here's the thing, if your desk is a little bit too tall, or depending on your own personal height, you might have to raise your chair up higher. So let's say my feet are on the floor, but I'm too low for my desk, okay? Now what I can do is I can raise up my chair. So now let's say I'm at the right height for my desk to work with the desk. My feet are just barely touching the floor, which is totally fine, but if anything, it helps you. When your feet are not on the floor, it helps you correct your posture even more. You're forced to sit upright, okay? Because you don't have your feet for balance, so you're forced to sit upright. But in addition, you can get a footrest. So you can raise up your chair and you can get a footrest. So the most important thing is to make sure your height is where it needs to be for your workstation, but hopefully your feet can at least be touching the floor a decent amount. So the first thing was posture, the second thing was the height of the chair. The third thing is going to be the height of the armrests. Check out these armrests right here. Look at this. Does this look like I'm comfortable to you? Not at all. Not at all, okay? My shoulders are sort of slouching down, which is what you don't want. You want to be able to rest your arms on your armrests without your shoulders being pulled down. So if you look over here, okay, so you can adjust your office chair in many ways. Like I said, the height is that pump lever on the side. Okay, you can also recline it if you want. You can most likely do something like that. I wouldn't recommend that for comfort though, but maybe once in a while to stretch. But the armrest adjustment is likely going to be a button or a knob on the side. So you can see right here, my armrests have now been raised up. This is a little bit better. So you can see before it was like down here, which is not right. You want your arms to be resting there and your shoulders to sort of still be at a natural angle. Okay, your traps over here to still be at a natural angle. So adjust your armrests accordingly. That's number 3. So far we've said proper posture, your height of your office chair, and then your height of your armrests on the chair. The 4th and 5th are really easy and they will pretty much improve anyone's situation, no matter what kind of office chair you have. Number 4 is going to be to put a towel on the seat. Now this office chair is fairly padded. Okay, but over time, over the years, this padding will decrease and you can always benefit from additional padding. So what I would recommend is you just get a folded up towel like this, place it on the chair, just like that, okay? Just like that, sit down. Oh, that feels so much better. I'm being serious, and this chair has a lot of padding, but that towel just feels a lot better. There are specific cushions that you can get for your office chair, and that's totally fine. You can go buy a real, office chair cushion. But my honest opinion, put a towel on there. Just put a towel. Doesn't matter how silly it looks. It's gonna feel amazing. To be honest with you, your coworkers will probably end up doing the same thing once they see what you're doing. Even if they're looking at you saying, like, what's this person doing? They're gonna try and be like, wow, that feels great. So you're gonna be the envy of all of your coworkers. So that was the 4th thing, put a towel on the seat of the office chair, fold it up. The 5th is going to be, and this is probably more useful because most office chairs don't have a nice backing, but it's to just fold the towel once over and then put it on the backing of the office chair, right? Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, that feels fantastic. I'm not gonna lie. So as you can see right here, I put a towel on the back of the office chair and it feels amazing. It also adds a little bit of flair and coloration to the chair, which is cool because, you give it a little bit of personalization instead of just having the standard colored office chair. Feels amazing. Those simple changes that I made allow this office chair to be more comfortable. And one other tip is that if you can't get your feet to rest on the floor, okay, what you can do is you can rest your feet on the legs of the office chair. So I'm resting them on the legs, and that also gives me the ability to turn the chair as needed, okay? And that's it. That is essentially how to make an office chair more comfortable, an easy and full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.